Just calling this property a renovation would be a massive disservice. We're going to take you inside a complete transformation in the southeast of Calgary in Willow Park. Before you enter the home, you'll be taken by its modern styling and design elements of the exterior. The elegant 42-inch wide custom door that leads to an open concept main floor, immediately catching your attention in the living room and kitchen with a 12-foot vaulted ceiling. The living room invites you to relax in front of the gorgeous fireplace that draws your eyes upward with floor-to-ceiling tiling. There's the Gourmet Kitchen, which has full-height cabinets, a massive 10-foot quartz custom island, and chef-ready stainless steel appliance package. The gas range, the custom-built range hood make this the focal point for preparing your most impressive gourmet meals. The main floor of this exquisite bungalow is what truly separates it from other offerings and invites it to be your forever home. 3 ample bedrooms and 2 more full baths with heated floors, plus a 2-piece guest bath, custom vanities, and full wall mirrors. The opulent master bedroom is your next stop with 9-foot ceilings and light coming in from the windows, making this feel absolutely open. Past the barn doors is the spa-like ensuite featuring full wall mirror, custom oak vanity, and quartz-cladded extra-large soaker tub. Your feet will always feel toasty and warm on the heated floors that extend into a curbless shower with high-end Ryobel water fixtures. A custom walk-in closet is also present on the other side of your master bedroom. Down the hall, you do have another full bathroom with dual sinks, as well as 2 other bedrooms to round off your main floor. Your extremely functional main floor laundry includes a sink plus extra cabinetry, which matches the built-ins throughout the house. Now let's take a look downstairs. There's more fantastic space down here, a generous entertainment zone with wet bar, wine fridge, and custom oak floating shelves, plus a full bathroom and 2 additional bedrooms. Tons of living space to continue this gorgeous property. In the backyard, you're going to come across that fully composite deck with aluminum rails, brand new fencing, lots of space back there if the kids were going to be playing, or in summertime you wanted to have your barbecue or hang out with the family. You also got that massive double garage to round out your property here in Willow Park. Thank you for checking out this fantastic property here in Willow Park. It is available. If you want to take a look at it, make sure you either call, text, or email, and we'll set up a tour for you. If you'd like to see more videos like this on the channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. My name is Drew, and I'll catch you in the next video.